Raider.
What is going on, guys? Oscar TV here with another YouTube video. Right now we are on our way to a birthday cruise for one of our good friends. Alright, so pretty much I posted up a story right here, a little pop-up cruise for our good friend right here, Project 2V, that's celebrating a birthday today. I posted up 2 hours ago, so let's see how many people show up, and it was really last minute. So let's see how many people roll out with us. So we just pulled up right here with the boys. Sheesh. I gotta roll out right now in a little bit. More people over here, the squad. Project 2V. Yes, happy birthday to him. Let me get that sweater, bro. Let me have it.
Cali creaming, bro.
Sheesh. Okay, representing.
Representing, my guy. Representing.
I didn't go, so I don't represent.
Okay, back out Daytona. Clean. Fastest guy from Parley right here.
Oh, yeah.
Parley. Oh, no, Parley, right? How much you pushing, bro? How much you pushing?
600 to the
600? 10 speed?
I'll let you go.
Okay. Jeez, that's clean. Mach pulling up right here. Jeez. Okay. Ooh, we coming straight for me. Jeez, another clean car right here. Got everybody parking up right here, kind of fit. Pretty big parking spot for everybody, so able to get a spot. on in. Got the pony right here, the 2V, bagged up. Okay. Alrighty guys, I want to do a quick little shout out to my boy right here. Big thanks to him, man. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have had the Vegas video. He was the one that hooked me up with the tow truck, man. Big thanks to him and Michael, and everyone else that contributed, man. Big thanks to them, bro.
Yes, sir.
Me Mach right here. A lot of cars out here. Okay. Special parking. A lot of people came through, man. Have a cool little drive here. Have some fun out here. Jeez, boy Edward. Oh boy! Good, bro, with the new wrap. Jeez. Let me show this off real quick. And this is a picture right here. That background.
StangBros, you can't be in
right
it.
here representing.
Always.
People. Alright, so we pulled up to get some gas. Look at all these beautiful cars. Sheesh. Over here, we made it out here. It's pretty popping. Right here, partners. Shelby, it's an honor. Boy, Riley right here pulled up. More of my boys.
What's good? It's popping. We're here in Mexico City. About to head out, roll out on the disclosed location. So
Okay.
we're gonna race the 2-valve.
Oh, you're gonna race the 2-valve.
We're gonna race the bag 2-valve, you know.
Birthday boy.
More free vinyl?
Metal bird out.
Start. This is.
It's the birthday boy.
Happy birthday, dear
Mexican tradition. Just like a right.
Goodbye, bro.